Hi everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn how to stay safe when we are using internet.
Yay! I love using internet. But how can I be safe, Mom?
Yes, so let us get started. The internet is a fun place to learn, play, connect with friends, but it is important to stay safe and protect yourself.
Learn safety, protect yourself, have fun wisely.
Yes, you have to keep your personal information private. Never share your full name, address, school name, or phone number online. This keeps you safe from strangers.
Don't share personal details. Use a nickname. Keep information private.
Use strong passwords. A password keeps your accounts safe. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols and never share it with anyone except your parents.
Use letters, numbers, and symbols. Keep it secret. Change it if needed.
Be careful with photos and videos. Only share photos or videos with your parents' permission. Once something is online, it is hard to take it back.
Ask permission first. Think before you post. Protect your privacy.
Recognize online strangers. Not everyone online is who they say they are. Be careful talking to people you don't know in real life. Be kind online. Treat others online the way you want to be treated. Don't say or share mean things and stand up against cyberbullying.
Use kind words. Don't spread rumors. Support friends online.
Use safe websites and apps. Stick to websites and apps made for kids. They have safety features and content is right for your age. Enjoy the internet safely.
The internet can be a great place to explore and learn if you follow safety rules.
Be smart, careful, and respectful every time you go online. Isn't that fun to learn all the internet safety rules? Thanks for learning with us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips and fun.
Bye bye.